Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to restrict editing on MS Word document. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To restrict editing on MS Word document, open your document and then click on File tab on upper left corner, then click on Info. Here you will find some options. The first option is protect document. Click on protect document and then you will find the third option restrict editing. Click here to restrict editing. In right side you will find some options. If you want to restrict editing your whole document, just simply click on the second option, allow only this type of editing in the document, and here you will find a drop down and select no changes, read only. Now you will find the third option, start enforcement. Just click on yes, start enforcing protection. Now you have to type a password and it's optional, and confirm password, then click on OK. Now whole document is restricted for editing. You cannot edit your document. Look, all formats are inactive here. You cannot use any options here. Look, everything is inactive and you cannot delete or change anything here. Now I am going to stop protection. Just click here to stop protection. Type your password. Now protection is stopped. Look, now I can delete or copy paste the document. If you want to restrict your document but you have some exception, then you can limit formatting to your selected area. I am selecting this paragraph and now I am clicking formatting restrictions. Click on limit and then as usual edit restriction, no change, and exception. You can select your users or everyone or some criteria here, and I have selected everyone. You can choose user for this exception by clicking here. Now click on yes, start enforcing the protection. Now type password, confirm the password, and then click on OK. Now look, you cannot change anything here. You cannot delete or you cannot remove, you cannot copy or paste, and look, all options are inactive here. But if you want to edit here or change here, look, you can change these options or you can format also these options. Look, you can format, but you cannot format other than this area. You can only format this selected area, and all other area is restricted for editing or formatting. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.